Hello, National General. This is Mike Panzik of M2 Roofing. We're going to be doing a repair attempt here on Mr. Rodolfo Contreras' roof. We're going to be trying to repair this damaged shingle and doing a spot repair here. Before I get started, I just wanted to show you what prior repairs did to the courses above them. So as you can see, we've got a prior repair here, and these shingles are very brittle, so it did cause some damage to the courses above. Show you again right here. But here's a prior repair that was already done, and this is the type of creasing that it left on the course above it. But we will give it a shot. Maybe I'm better at repairs than whoever did that repair. Let's see. So we're gonna be taking out this shingle. So we've got to unseal these ones in the two courses above it in order to replace it. As you can see, we've got our repair shingle in here, but it is leaving a crease right here. It's getting a crease here, as well as here on the course above it. Additionally, we've got this mat transfer. So this shingle is not gonna seal properly back down because there's no more mat here. It's all left on the shingle below it. You can see here, this mat has been pulled off. It's down to fiberglass. So this is not gonna seal back down very well. And like I said, we are seeing creasing here, as well as here, and here. So these shingles are a little bit too brittle for us to properly repair. Please consider a full replacement of the shingles. Thank you, National General. Goodbye.